In the face of a global catastrophe, be it natural, man-made, or a mass extinction event, our survival could depend on finding a new home. Could Mars, our neighboring red planet, be the answer? With its proximity to Earth and intriguing features like frozen water and diverse geology, Mars holds potential. But what would it really take to make this barren, hostile planet habitable? Could we transform it into a second Earth anytime soon? Or is this just science fiction? To understand the possibilities of colonizing Mars, we need to take a closer look at the facts and the staggering obstacles we must overcome. At first glance, Mars is far from inviting. The average temperature on Mars is a frigid -80 degrees Fahrenheit, colder than even Antarctica. Its atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide, completely unbreathable for us. To make matters worse, Mars lacks a magnetic field, which means the surface is bombarded by deadly cosmic radiation. Imagine standing on Mars without protection. In mere moments, the combination of freezing cold, unbreathable air, and radiation would prove fatal to you. But Mars does have one saving grace: water. Frozen at its poles and buried beneath the surface, this resource could be the key to survival. With advanced technology, frozen water could be extracted for drinking, or split into hydrogen and oxygen to create breathable air. Surviving on Mars would require growing food. Unfortunately, Martian soil contains high levels of perchlorates, toxic to most plants, yet scientists are optimistic. Greenhouses and hydroponic farming could allow crops to grow safely, offering a sustainable food source. But what's happening right now to make Mars a possibility? NASA is leading the charge. The Perseverance rover is actively searching for signs of ancient life and preparing rock samples for a future return to Earth. Through the Artemis program, NASA is developing technology on the Moon as a stepping stone to sending humans to Mars in the 2030s. SpaceX, under Elon Musk, aims even higher. Musk's goal is to build a self-sustaining Martian city by 2050. With their Starship spacecraft, capable of carrying large crews and cargo, SpaceX is revolutionizing space travel. Their reusable rockets are bringing us closer to making Mars colonies financially feasible. But it's not just humans preparing for Mars. Rovers like Perseverance and the helicopter Ingenuity are scouting landing sites, testing technology, and searching for resources. Meanwhile, scientists on Earth are building prototypes of Martian habitats using techniques like 3D printing to ensure we're ready. Yet, the actual voyage to Mars is fraught with challenges. A trip to Mars takes 6 to 9 months, during which astronauts face muscle loss, bone deterioration, and dangerous radiation exposure. Communication delays of up to 20 minutes each way would make quick decisions impossible. That's why the first steps on Mars won't be taken by humans. They'll be taken by robots and machines. These advanced systems will act as our pioneers, landing on the surface to build infrastructure, extract resources, and prepare the planet for human life. Before astronauts can call Mars home, it must first be made safe. These devices won't just build Mars for us, they'll scout it. Using AI and sensors, they'll identify safe zones, map potential hazards, and ensure that every human landing site is optimized for safety and survival. They'll act as the eyes, hands, and builders of humanity's Martian future, working tirelessly in conditions no human could endure. Humanity has always pushed the boundaries of the impossible. We learned to fly, landed on the moon, and now we stand on the brink of another giant leap, building a new home among the stars. So will we conquer Mars? Or will we remain bound to Earth for better or worse? The red planet could be humanity's greatest challenge, or our greatest triumph. Despite the steep challenges, humans will be roaming Mars before the end of the 21st century, and when that day comes, it will mark the dawn of a new era, one where we take our first steps toward becoming a multi-planetary species.